Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new hoods. Okay, this is going to be a hood specially made for food truck, food trailer. Okay, so this is going to be a special hood for food truck, food trailer. This is going to be an 8-foot hood that we're going to be talking about in this video. Before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. As I mentioned, 8 feet long, so it's going to total up to 96 inches. Okay, so 96 inches. Also, I'm gonna measure, once you install this hood, I'm gonna measure from top to bottom. You're looking at a total of 38 inches. 38. Okay, so from the sides, you're looking at a total of 30 inches. Okay, so those are gonna be your measurements for this hood. Right, now I wanna go ahead and show you the front and show you all the specs, certifications. This hood is going to be certified by the health department. You can locate all the certifications on the sides. We have a sticker over on this right hand side that has the brand as well and all the specs and as well as the certification. Okay, also you can locate one on the top inside of this hood. Also our grease filter. Go ahead and take these grease filters out, and you also have NSF and UL certifications. Okay, so pretty much the whole hood is going to be certified for use. Okay, now I want to show you the back. This is obviously where all the smoke comes out through. I want to measure that opening there for you. It's going to be a 15 by 10 opening. Okay, 15 by 10 inches. All right, so that's the measurements for the opening on the top of this hood, obviously where all the smoke comes out through. Okay, so this is an 8-foot hood, specially made for food truck, food trailer. If you're interested in one of these hoods, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions regarding this size, or maybe another size, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.